To get the Shopify permanent access token, click on the settings and then click on the apps, and from here click on develop apps and build apps in Dev Dashboard, and we will be creating a new app over here, and you can name it anything. So I will name it API connection. I will create the app, and after creating the app you need to select the scope, what kind of access scope you need. So you can click on the scopes and you can select products and orders, whatever the scopes you need you can select from here. Inventory, select inventory, and lastly customers. I will have the access to customer of the admin API and click on done. And in the redirect URL you will be going to webhook.site, and they will give you a unique URL. You can copy and paste that URL over here. Shopify will send you code there to generate the Shopify access permanent access token. So I will paste the URL over here and click on release and leave it blank as it is. Once your version is created, click on this, and we need to open the URL in the browser first. So what will be the format? Now we will be sending a GET request, and that GET request will be look like this. So you will be sending a request at your store.myshopify.com/admin/OAuth/authorize along with some parameters like client ID and scope and redirect URL. Okay, so these three parameter needs to be sent when you are requesting the code. So the client ID, you can get the client ID from the settings and copy this client ID and paste that over here. And scopes, you can go back to the versions and click on the latest version and copy these scopes and paste them over here. Make sure there is no extra space, and redirect URI, this can be copied from over here. So copy this URL and paste that over here. Now we have this address. Let's copy this address and open this URL in the browser. Shopify install this app and send the unique code at our webhook. So we are waiting for the first request. So after installing the app, Shopify will be able to send us the code. Okay, now it is asking permission to install the app. Once the app is installed, you can click on change the response in the webhook, and you can see we have the code hmac host shop and we get the response. So we need this code to make another API call to get the permanent access token. So let's go back to the Postman and make a new request. That request will go to this URL, your store.myshopify.com/admin/OAuth/access token. So we will be sending post request, and in the body we will be sending this x-www.form.url encoded. We will be sending the code we just get from the Shopify. So copy this code and paste that over here along with the client ID and the client secret. You can copy them from the settings of your app. Copy client ID and then copy client secret And now if you send the post request to this address, you will be able to get the permanent access token. So you can see we have the permanent access token with the write customer, read and write customer, read and write inventory, read and write orders, and read and write products. So you can use this token anywhere where you would like, and this is the permanent, it will not expire. So this is how you can get the permanent Shopify access token. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.